Mr. President, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my school fellows, Assalamu Alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Eid ul Fitr. Dear audience, as you know, Eid is the religious festival of Muslims known as Eid ul Fitr is celebrated by Muslims from all over the world which marks the breaking of fasting dawn to sunset. This festival is also marks the end of Ramzan month and beginning of Shawwal month. The Muslims fast throughout the Ramadan month and pray to Allah. The day of Eid is celebrated as thanksgiving to Allah. Muslims believe that Allah provided the strength and fortitude for the long fasting custom throughout the month. The day of celebration starts of lunar Hijri month is completely based on when the new moon is seen by local religious authorities. Dear students, in Arabic the meaning of Eid is feast. Celebration of Eid al-Fitr is done by preparing sweet dishes at home. People greet each other in beautiful dresses. Special morning prayer is performed by the Muslims from all over the world. This celebration continues for 3 days. Sadaqat are given to poor which name is Fitrana. The purpose of Fitrana to help poor and needy people so that they can also celebrate Eid.